Hello, today's topic is types of animals. Let's start. First, WILD. ANIMALS. Wild animals. The animals which we cannot keep at home and live in the forest are called wild animals. These animals hunt for their own food and eat it, like lion, tiger, zebra, etc. Second, DOMESTIC. ANIMALS. Domestic animals. Domestic animals like cow, horse, hen, goat are those that live near our homes or on farms. These animals help us by giving us different kinds of food that we eat. Like cow gives us milk, hen gives us egg. Horse is used to make and pull horse carts. Third, PETANIMALS. Pet animals like cat, dogs, rabbit, parrot. These animals live with us in our homes. People love them very much. Fourth, WATERANIMALS. Water animals. Some animals live in water, like fish, octopus, starfish. These animals live in water. It is not possible for them to live outside water. Fifth, BIRDS. Birds. Some animals can fly, like parrot, peacock, etc. They have wings and beaks. Thank you. Bye bye.